Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. If you are trying to log in into your JioHotstar account but not receiving the OTP, don't worry, this video help you to fix that problem completely. Many users face this issue when OTP don't arrive while trying to log in. Okay, this usually happen due to network issue, incorrect number or SIM related problem. Make sure you have entered the correct mobile number while login. Okay, even small mistake can stop delivery of your SMS. Okay, if your number is correct but you don't receive the OTP, tap on resend button. If that still does not work, use the another option, verify via call option. Okay, Hotstar will call you with the OTP through IVR and then enter the OTP. Ensure you are in a area with a good network coverage. Poor signal can delay or block OTP messages. Turn off your phone, remove and reinsert the SIM card, restart your phone, reset your network setting. To do this guys, so first you need to open your phone settings and find out reset option. So if you're facing the difficulty to find out the reset option, so just search the reset network and Bluetooth settings, tap on it and reset it. Okay, so before resetting you need to check your SIM card plan. Okay, so if you are using Airtel, Jio or any other, so just open that app and here you need to check the data plan. Okay, if there is a no active plan on your SIM card, at that time you can't able to receive the messages or calls from the other side. Okay, so just try sending the messages from other phone like simple text messages and check the messages was receiving or not. If the message is not receiving, you need to recharge your SIM card. Okay, and guys, the problem still continue, then the issue with your telecom provider, not from JioHotstar. Contact your SIM operator to solve your problem. And now then open the Hotstar and log in with your phone number. Okay, if none of this method work, you can try login with the different mobile number as well to cross check the problem is from your Hotstar or problem with your phone number. Okay, if the phone number was already logged in on the other Hotstar account, just need to remove the account from other device as well and then try to log in. Now it will fix your problem. None of this method work, scroll down to the bottom page of the JioHotstar login page and here you can get the option get help. Just tap on it and from here you can easily able to contact the JioHotstar, contact us or chat with us. Just select the option and share your problem with the JioHotstar team. From there you can get the accurate solution to fix your problem. So that's how you can fix the OTP not coming issue on JioHotstar quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like button, subscribe to our channel and share with your other friends facing the same problem. Hope you enjoy this video. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.